I heard a rumble of thunder in the eastern sky. The scent of wildflowers is in the air tonight. June is fast approaching. It's been a dry May, but come what may, the Lord sends the rain on the just and the unjust. Who am I to complain if He withholds it from me? For everything a season, for everything a time. And if this drought never ends, I know I'll be alright. His mercies are new every day, and His faithfulness remains the same. Even in the desert, even on the dusty plains, this I know, my God is good eternally. Even if He withholds the rain,